Well folks, we're closing down the nursery, so we're giving away these trees basically. But we got lots of fruit trees. We've got crepe myrtle. We've got apricots, nectarines, and nectarines, plums, and look at that. We've got wild birds. So come on down, make an offer. We need to sell these trees. We've got avocados, apricots, nectarine, apricots, plum, apple, and we have some succulent. We've got chickens that like to hang out. Aloe vera, $10 to $20 each there. Dragon fruit. We've got rocks for sale. All this stuff's for sale. This green gauge plum. Green gauge plum. All these apricots. That's a super old apricot. 50% off. This was $260. It's 50% off. We've got mesquite, some funky palo verde, $100 each. They just need to go in the ground. Come and get them. I'll even give them away for less than $100. Acacia, free. Native legume here, that's $70. Pomegranates are normally $79 for a 15-gallon, but 30% off. Avocados.